In this lecture, we will review using single subjects design. Now, single subject designs allow you to establish causal relationships among independent and dependent variables while focusing on the behavior of one or a few subjects. Single subject designs are used to evaluate the effects of an intervention on an individual or a small group. They are often used in applied fields like education, psychology, and human behavior. Single subject designs fall into three broad categories: baseline designs, dynamic designs, and discrete trials designs. Now, a baseline design in research refers to a study designed where researchers first establish a baseline measurement of a variable, like behavior or a physiological condition, before introducing an intervention, allowing them to compare the initial state to the state after the intervention is applied, thus demonstrating the effect of the intervention. The most common type of baseline design is the multiple baseline design, where baselines are established across different behaviors, settings, or individuals, enabling a more robust analysis of the intervention's impact. Now, dynamic design research can refer to research in a variety of fields, including design, education, and engineering. Discrete trials design in research refers to a structured experimental method primarily used in applied behavior analysis, also known as ABA, where a specific behavior is taught by breaking it into small, isolated steps, with each step presented as a single trial and reinforced individually. Now let's talk about how single subjects designs work. First, there's a baseline. It measures the dependent variable repeatedly to establish a baseline. And then the intervention. We introduce the independent variable or treatment and measure the dependent variable again. And then we analyze. We use visual analysis to compare the baseline and treatment data. There are benefits of single subjects design. For example, this accounts for individual differences by using the same individual as both the control and treatment group. And another benefit of single subjects design is that it can be used in more naturalistic settings. All right, so let's talk about examples of single subject design. Reversal design. Test the participant in baseline, treatment, and then baseline again. And multiple baseline design. Establish baselines for different participants, settings, or dependent variables. But when do we use single subjects design? First, to prepare for a randomized control trial. Next, to document behavioral changes. And next, to evaluate the effects of an intervention in a naturalistic setting. Again, a single subject designs allow you to establish causal relationships among independent and dependent variables while focusing on the behavior of one or a few subjects. And single subject designs are used to evaluate the effects of an intervention on an individual or a small group. They are often used in applied fields like education, psychology, and human